I thought it only went for one page. I read it before years past. But it skips over different pages, and it's set up in a little typical Indian systematic way. So I didn't quite follow the arrangement. It starts on page 4, and it ends on page 5, and a new topic starts about Lord Chaitanya's pastimes. Then it talks about Saptami Leela. Oh, I said, that's not Janmashtami. And then I looked further today. I said, oh my God, it jumps here and there in typical Indian systematic arrangement. Even the Sanskrit books, you read these books, it goes here and there and everywhere. Janmashtami Leela. So Krishna's birth, of course, takes place today. Very special. What is very special today, besides Krishna's birthday? What nakshatra is Krishna born on? Mohini nakshatra. Excuse me, Rohini. Rohini nakshatra, yeah. So what is today? Rohini all day up until midnight. That's midnight. So Krishna appeared on Rohini nakshatra. In the calendar, Hindi Panchang and Smarta Vichar, yesterday was also celebrated as Janmashtami. Maybe some friends in Delhi celebrated. Because the Tithi, yesterday was the Tithi, was actually Ashtami. So right now, the day is Nomi. The moon is in Nomi. But, so what's important is not only the day is also, today is called Ashtami because of the sunrise. But the Tithi is Nomi. But the main thing is the Nakshatra. And that was the same consideration for the appearance of Radhakund in Chaitra Purnima. Because many people were saying, oh, Purnima is the next day. I said, no. But Jiva Goswami says that Radhakund appears on Chitra Nakshatra, and that's tonight. Because tomorrow night is another Nakshatra. So that's, a very fine point. So today is actually, Krishna appeared on a nakshatra. So the most important thing is a nakshatra. When you're born, and they do a Janma Kundali, they calculate the Janam Nakshatra. Do you know that? They sometimes name you according to that syllable. So, now what's happening? Basically, Krishna's birthday is a 3 or 4 day party. It's a 3 or 4 day birthday party. And Radharani, the chief guests at Krishna's birthday party are his closest neighbors. The closest neighbor is the country of Varsana. Varsana, there's one king because it's one country. And Nandagram is one country, one desh, Nandagam, and there's one king. Nandababa is the king of Nandagram, and Vrishabhanu Maharaj is the king of Varsana. Vrishabhanu Maharaj has a daughter named Radharani, and Nandababa has Nanda and Sri Krishna. So, who's the best friend of Nandababa? Vrishabhanu. And who's the best friend of Krishna? The daughter of Vrishabhanu. Vrishabhanu Nandini ki jai. Nandini means daughter. And Anandani means a very blissful daughter. So Radharani is not only Nandini, but she's Anandani. So, that's Radharani's name. So now, this is a big function. Any big function, there's a big wedding party. You don't just drive out to the venue and there it is. 3 days before they start putting up the pandal and then the festoons. It's a whole big arrangement and the stage for your big wedding thing. It doesn't just happen. You call them up, okay, I'm having a wedding tonight. Can you set everything up? Oh yeah, the pandal's ready. No, it takes a few days, right? So Krishna has a whole big birthday party. So what happens? This is happening on... of course, it's Ashtami, but on the very first day, this is a 8-day celebration, 8-day birthday party. It starts on Krishna Paksha Ekam, the first day of the dark month. So Nanda Maharaj, there's a big orchestra playing Shanai, that Shanai, that really high-pitched thing, and drums. And they sit down in Maharaj's house and they start playing Mangala Dwani, Mangala Gun, very auspicious songs to prepare the whole atmosphere for the birthday party. Sound, Shabda. Anavriti Shabdat. Anavriti Shabdat. It says in the Vedanta Sutra. This whole material world is anavriti. Anavriti Shabdat. By sound it can be destroyed. And by sound it's created. What is the sound that creates this material world? What is the sound? Om. The sound that creates this world, the Shabda, is Om. And what's the sound that destroys this material world? Krishna, 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 Krishna. Hey, if you chant Krishna's name, no more birth and death. Right? Mantra. Trayate. If you liberate your mind from this world, that means you'll go with it. So mantra. So Om creates a world. Krishna's name will finish our existence in this world. So here it is, Om. They're chanting all auspicious sounds and music. So it's music. They're creating all Mangala atmosphere by Mangala sounds. From that day until the 6th day, from the first day to the 6th day, all arrangements were made to beautify